Hello guys, welcome back again to me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share this video. Okay. African nations must help combat climate change and halt a rise in temperatures that is hitting crop yields and causing flooding and drought in the region. U.S. climate and John Kerry told a conference in Senegal, the capital, on Thursday. At the African Ministerial Conference on Environment in Dakar, Kerry acknowledged that the 48 countries of sub-Saharan Africa and only 0.55% of global harmful emissions, but said that every nation had to pull together in the face of crisis. All of us were threatened by mission, and Mother Nature does not care where those emissions come from. Kerry told delegates the challenge of the climate crisis comes from the crisis of emissions in every country. 20 countries, including the United States, are responsible for 80% of global emissions, Kerry said. Coal, oil and gas drive of the American economy are the worst emitters, climate experts agree. As the impact of climate change comes into focus, large economies have the difficult task of trying to persuade African nations to curb emissions or reduce investment in fossil fuels at a critical juncture in their own economic development. Senegal will become a significant oil and gas producer when well-developed fields of its Atlantic coast begin production in the next 2 years. President Macky Sall has said that ending financing for gas exploration would be a fatal blow to emergency economies. Yet Kerry's message comes at a telling moment. Floods killed hundreds this rainy season in Nigeria, Niger and Chad, and millions face fierce hunger in the Horn of Africa from drought. We cannot afford to repeat the mistake of the past, said Kerry. How we decide to approach the future will have a profound impact not just on Africa but on our ability as a planet to solve this problem. 20 countries, including the United States, are responsible for 80% of global emissions. Kerry said coal, oil and gas drivers of the American economy are the worst emitters, climate experts argue. Drivers of the American economy are the worst emitters, climate experts agree. As the impact of climate change comes into focus, large economies have the difficult task of trying to persuade African nations to curb emissions or reduce investment in fossil fuels at a critical juncture in their own economic development. Senegal will become a significant oil and gas producer when nearly 10% of its Atlantic coast begin producing in the next 2 years. President Macky Sall has said ending financing for gas exploration will be a fatal blow to the emergency economies. Okay guys, just thank for me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. and share our review. Okay, bye bye.